Okay, May 8th, 2016. 20 years in the making. These are the luxury suite box. Okay, let me step back a little. This is before. This is actually from 1996 to present day in May of 2016. We are actually getting ready to remodel and renovate the suites, and so I decided to do a little before and after video. There's your little beverage station there. South side wall with some lamps and the TV. A little computer. Stepping back. There's your tables in the center. And on the left here, the wall. My understanding, each suite is going to be widened, so this wall will come out, as will the counters and cabinets and existing rugs, tile, ceiling, everything getting re-gutted and all remodeled, so that we have brand new suites. Okay, there's another look at the countertop there. Okay, come looking down here. It's my understanding that new seats will also be added. These are the existing seats. As you can see, wear and tear over 20 years. Really shows in the carpet. And this is all going to be redone. So, this is the before. And God willing, I'll come back and show you the after. Okay? There you have it from Suite Level, Wells Fargo Center. Signing off until the after video. Peace. And we're back. September 27th, 2016. Now I'll give you the new suites at the Wells Fargo Center. As you can see, we have renovated and completely overhauled our suites. I should step back again, give you a broader look here. And we are complete. The work is finished and they turned out amazingly beautiful, constructed well. Yeah, that's the ice bar over there, little island here, and we actually have a little bit more room in regards to width, I believe, but nonetheless, very beautiful, very nice job they did here. Okay, I can show you the brand new seats as well, all leather. Right here, high back leather chairs. Maybe we will get the cup holders, maybe on the backs, but nonetheless, an amazing job they did. So there you have it. In just a few short months, after 20 years, we have brand new suites here at the Wells Fargo Center. So the beautiful renovation job they did here. So there you have it from Suite Level at Wells Fargo Center. I'm Nick, and I give you our new suites. Have a nice day.